Alright, I'm going to go over the widget areas and sidebars. So this footer area is built with widgets, and so are obviously our sidebars. So let's go and go over our footer first. So it's pretty cool. If we go under appearance and widgets, you'll see a couple sidebars, and we go over the menu one in the menu section. So I'm going to skip over those, but let's go over footer first. And you'll notice we have our set of widgets right here, and any widget with progression in front of it is our custom widgets. And there's a couple of them that you'll notice from our live preview, like our business hours. And so you would just type in your business hours. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in closed on all of them just real quick so that we have content in that widget. And then you have ones like Flickr, contact. So contact as well had our subtitle, and then address, and then a phone number, and then email. And then the social icons that went along with that widget were under social. So if we type some of these in, so let's go ahead and view that. So that I might have moved really quick for you, but don't worry, we'll catch you up. So we added two widgets, and one was hours, and as you notice I typed just closed for all of the hours just so we had filler content. And then for our contact us widget, I had just added some filler content. I didn't add in any real information. And then I added in some social icons down below on that widget. So it's really easy to add widgets in the footer area. And then there's a couple other custom ones like your Twitter feed if you wanted to pull that in as well. You can do so there. I added it in the wrong widget area there. So then we have our Twitter feed. So it's all really easy to build your widget area, and it works the same way for the sidebar. And if you want to get rid of them, you can just drag them off. So that was a sidebar for our blogs and pages. And if you wanted to have unlimited sidebars, we actually do this via a plugin called Simple Page Sidebars. And the way that you would do this is that you would just download this plugin, and you can do so under Add New, and you could download the plugin and install it, or you could just search for the plugin via its name and click install, and then activate the plugin. And then the way that you get it running is under settings and reading. You just pick a default sidebar, and I'm going to do the sidebar. You can do the footer one, it just depends on which sidebar you want to make an unlimited sidebar. And if you go under pages, for instance, we have a page with sidebar, and you can just add a new sidebar. So let's call this on pages sidebar. We'll update this page, and then if we go under widgets now, we have another sidebar. So let's go ahead and put a Twitter feed in here. And now, if I go to my site, our blog has the original sidebar, but then our pages with sidebar has that new sidebar. So, as you can tell, you can just play around with the widgets and get everything going how you need. And that should cover all of the widgets, and if you wanted to add custom sidebars on each page.